Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the different options we have for your camera. So here's our camera. Just going to open that up. And right away I'm going to show you the three different settings that we have. So we have this, which is zoomed out. So let me just take it from the side so you guys can see a little bit better. So it's a little bit zoomed out. This one would be standard. And this would just do a close-up. So again, this is using the three lenses that we have. So if we take a picture from here, or here, or just a little bit more zoomed in, they're all going to be different, and they're all using the three different lenses that we have on the back of our iPhone. Doesn't matter how many gigs your iPhone is or what color it is, it's the exact same options. Now when it comes down to video, it's going to be the exact same thing. So for video, we do have those options. So we have that zoomed out, our standard, or our really zoomed in option. And we can record at those options, and we can even move around between those options while we record. Of course, in settings, we can disable that just in case you don't want to touch these while you're recording, which could be annoying. We can disable that. To stop our recording, just tap right there and we're done. Another option we have right here is Slowmo, which is pretty neat. Same deal, we're gonna have the exact same options when we're doing slow-mo. Obviously, to do slow-mo, you want as much light as possible. And then we have time-lapse. Same type of deal, we still have these three options, which is using all our three lenses. If we keep going, we're gonna see photo again, then we see portrait, continue on. And when it comes down to portrait mode, it's a little bit different. We're just gonna see this, where we can tap down here just to zoom in and out. And other than that, we have all these options as well. Let's not forget about panoramic. When it comes down to panoramic, luckily, we still have those three options. So we can zoom as normal, or zoom twice, or just do a wide angle shot. As always, to do a panoramic shot, we can just tap right there, move our phone, stop, and there we go. So if we take a look at what we just took, it's gonna look something like this. Let's just put, got it, there we go. So that's panoramic shot at wide angle, which is pretty neat if this is exactly what you're looking for. Anyways, those are the options that we've got for your phone right here. Remember, this is a 12 Pro. However, the 12 Pro Max would have the exact same options, which I will be making a video later on, but it's the exact same thing. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.